If you need welding and cutting solutions for your wind turbine, for your pressure vessel, oil tanker, or pipelines, just come to Boda. Boda serves 2 Fortune Global 500 companies with products including welding column, welding rotator, positioner, and CNC cutting system. Meanwhile, the Shanghai Essen Welding Fair is upcoming. Be sure to visit our booth.
Tilt-turn welding positioners. Boda manufactures a complete line of gear-driven positioners, which maximize both safety and production. Our positioners enable better weld seam accessibility, creating increased deposition rates. Even less experienced weld operators can safely manipulate our units while concentrating on welding functions. The box section design takes up minimal floor space and allows unrestricted movement throughout the work area. Many safety features have been incorporated into the structural, mechanical, and electrical components of these positioners to ensure safe, productive operation. A large selection of optional equipment includes backlash control, variable speed tilt, and optional tables. Boda weld positioners are designed to allow optimal weld positioning. The traditional tilt and rotate positioner is our most popular design. We also manufacture a variety of other models including turntable, fixed height, power elevating, and the Boda exclusive positioner. Boda positioners are ideally suited for manipulating pipes, valves, rotors, turbine discs, tankers, etc. Rotation and tilt axes allow optimal access to the workpiece. Equipped with 360-degree variable speed table rotation. All motions controlled through control panel, standard pendant, or optional touchscreen. All Boda standard products can be fully automated and customized for specialty applications.